Code. Had some technical issues there, but I think you can hear me, so I'll just go ahead and get started. So yeah, today, geez, let me turn that off. Okay. Today, I'm gonna demo or use this AI MCP server, basically skill thing, to create some things. I launched it a couple weeks ago, or maybe a week ago. I also updated the website because I made the library have like really good tooling and stuff. So I centered around the buzzwords of AI native, whether that means anything at all anyway. But so swizzy-ai-skill. Basically, I created this skill and also a CLI that gives tooling to the AI or yourself through the CLI to create new web services with Swizzy Web, create routers, controllers, all the different components of a web service, so that you can just fill in the business logic and you don't have to write all that boilerplate that I've been writing for the past few years. So should make it really easy to get started, and I'll just go ahead and use it real quick to I'll get it all set up, so this will be a good demo for you to follow if you want to kind of use this for building your own web applications. So there's Claude, so let's go npm install Claude. So we'll go ahead and we're going to use Claude Code to do the developing. So you go here, it has the install command. So hopefully, okay, so Ghosty, I'm using Ghosty as the terminal, and I gotta see if I've, okay, cool, so I have Node. I can run that command npm install. Let me zoom in. Install Claude Code with Anthropic. And hopefully the internet should be good, I think. Just let that run. Why is the screen black? Let me refresh this page. Okay, it's not black. Cool. Okay, so let's check that again. Alright, so it's installed. Now we can go to the swizzy-ai-skill. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna tell Claude to do it. So let's run Claude. Actually, let's go to, is it projects? Yeah. LSLA. Let's do Claude. Run it. Do dark mode. I have a subscription, so we'll open this. Forbidden request not allowed. Weird. Alright, well, let's try this. I've been having weird things with getting blocked with permissions. I've been like all over the place, so okay. Not sure what's going on there. Let's try Chrome. Okay, so oh shit, I gotta delete that. I'll just do paste code here. Oops. Ah, shit. I hope that's a one-time use code. It should be. Let me just exit it though. Let's close that. Anyway, hopefully that is okay, but let's go exit. Let me just see real quick. Claude sign up code is the code to sign up for Claude Code in terminal one-time use. Okay, cool. Don't have to worry about it. It's gonna concern there. Okay, so that's basically it. So let's go ahead. Make a directory. Let's do test AI skill workspace and test. Okay, and then let's rerun Claude. We trust this folder, and then we'll run MCP. Okay, so we don't have it installed. Now we'll install the MCP server. So I can do this myself, but I will just tell Claude install the MCP server and name it Swizzy. It is an npm package. Okay, so you can just prompt it, tell it what to do. Let's see, use skill update config. So I gotta like, okay. One tool allowed. So I guess I gotta accept all these. Oh wait, let me -s user. Okay, so it adds it. Cool. So you can just tell Claude to do it, and then I have to, right? I have to. I think I have to restart, right? Has been added successfully. Let's just go MCP. Yeah. Okay. So, what's this? I don't know. Okay. Exit. And then MCP. And there it is. Connecting. So I think that just means it's basically installing for the first time. And we'll just give it some time to connect, and then we're good to go. Once it finishes. Okay, cool, got it. And so then we can go ahead and use it real quick. I'm gonna hop off real quick, and I'll be right back.